How to add a polygon in Adobe Acrobat. Start by opening your PDF in the Adobe Acrobat app, not the web version. Make sure the document is ready for editing. Click on the tools at the top, then select the comment from the list of tools. In the app version, you will see several drawing tools, including the Polygon tool. Click on the Polygon tool from the drawing options. Now, click on your PDF where you want to start your polygon. Then click to add its corner. When you are done, double-click to close the shape. You can change the color and thickness of the polygon's outline. The free app version doesn't require proof for this, so you are good to go. And that's how you add a polygon in the app version. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Comment below on what tutorial you need next. See you in the next one.